God, anong oras na? Baka mag-close na yung PRC. And I have to be there exactly for they'll be closing 5 p.m.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Unity to be Magsaw. Kung bago pa sa channel ko, don't forget to subscribe
and click the bell button below.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Unity to be Magsaw. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button below. So for today's video guys, I'm going to process my renewal for PRC, and I think I'm late already since it's already 3:17 p.m. And then I'm going to the office.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we just arrived here in Agora, and then it's already 3:30 in the afternoon, and so we're now late. God, anong oras na? Baka mag-close na yung PRC. Saan ako sasakay nito? Wait. Saan na tadiri karon sa? Hi guys, it's already 3 p.m. and then I have to be there exactly for they'll be closing 5 p.m. So hoping that makaapas pa. Hey guys.
Hi guys, so I'm late already, so I really have to re-upload this video because I have to remove some music and this, and then yeah, everything is all done, prepared, and then there are some issues. Finally, I'm done processing my renewal of PRC license, and sorry if I'm not able to take some videos. I have to follow their protocol. After getting the PRC, I randomly visit titas working in the city, and first is my nanay lang. I visited her in the same building at Limkit Kay, and also with my tita Angel Patok. So she treated me there. She treats me food there in Mang Inasal at SM, maybe, I think, I forgot, since this video was taken last 2022, and then it's been a long time that I was not able to re-upload this. And then yeah, she treat me foods. I'm so full at this time, and I'm still cute like her, and then I'm so blessed to have her in my life. And then during this time, I really have to tell something or a story behind this video. You know what guys, we just decided this day, I decided to go in the CDO because I knew that my tito is going there in CDO together with his workmates, and then kaya nagkapang-hitch ako guys, and then kung bisaya pa ng hitch yung agad guys. Motong 11 a.m. in the morning, he picks me at home, my tito Adan, and then I decided to go with him together with his workmates. And yeah, good that God is very good to us, to me. God is really good because He gave me ways good. He gave me ways where I can be able to go Cagayan de Oro in safe with free free transportation. You know what, during this time, it's pandemic time, and then very grabe yung kamahal ang mga gasto. So I'm taking pictures with me alone since wala naman akong kasama sa buhay, kaya nag-iisa lang po ako. I have nothing to say during this time, but I really have to defend myself that me alone, I really have to take some videos and photos so that I can have a good memories together with myself, having fun together with my own moment. Char lang. So nag-voice over po ako ngayon, and then yeah, there's a lot of pictures, no? And then thank you so much guys for watching this video, and then good that I really bring clickers so that I could take pictures with me alone. So kung kayo guys, kung wala talaga kayong jowa sa habang buhay, magdala lang kayo ng clicker para may mag-take ng pictures with you, char. So here is the City of Golden Friendship, CDO. This is where I always go dito sa Lux Hotel. So may experience din po ako dito sa Lux Hotel together with my ex. And then that's another story. So hi guys. I think that would be all. Thank you so much for watching guys. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. And then hope I made you happy this time. And bye guys.